Hello and good morning from Galway, Ireland. I've been here in Galway for about 3 weeks now, and today I'm taking a bus to Kylemore Abbey, a church from the 1800s surrounded by these Victorian gardens. Should be a really cool time, so let's go check it out. So after a 3-hour bus ride, including some scenic stops along the way, I have arrived at Kylemore Abbey here in County Galway, Ireland. All right, so just a very short shuttle bus ride, and we are here at the Victorian Walled Gardens now. Oh, I guess I didn't know I needed any or anything.
Yeah, you do.
Really? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you need permission.
How do I get that?
You go to head office.
Okay. Like just kind of the front office where you first enter? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you need to, whoever's in charge of that drone needs to take it down now.
Okay, yeah, great. On it right now. Thank you. Oops. That didn't take very long. Alright, so now I'm off to the Gothic Church, part of the Kylemore Abbey estate. Alright, so I'm in front of the Abbey itself now. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. Alright guys, that wraps up the tour of Kylemore Abbey here in County Galway, Ireland. Hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in seeing more of this travel vlog sort of content, how-to tutorials, and behind the scenes of my portrait sessions, be sure to like and subscribe.